Hi, I'm Kitty Black Dragon, and today I'm gonna build Pikachu out of paper. As you see, the pieces are numbered in the order they need to be put together. Each tab is numbered 2. For a list of materials needed, see the description. When you glue, you want to match up the tab numbers. First, we cut everything out. Then we do the folds. Valley folds are the dotted and dashed lines. You take the paper, put the ruler on top, and press upwards to create the fold. Mountain folds are the dashed lines. You take the ruler, put it behind the paper, and fold downwards to create a mountain. Next, we start gluing. This is where you match up the tabs. Match number 1 to 1, number 2 to 2, and so on. This pattern starts to build at the feet, and you work your way up, ending at the ears and the tail. This is the thigh, just above the feet. This is what Pikachu looks like when you finish gluing him. Why is the tail separate, you ask? Well, I have to glue it on, but I thought we would wait until it's painted to do so. Now we paint. Start with yellow. Paint everything. Make sure you do a few coats so you have a good base. We now move on to details. Paint the brown on his tail and the stripes on his back. Brown as well. Then the black tips of his ears and paint his face. After painting, put a few coats of clear sealant with a matte finish on. Last, we will put a resin coat on it to stiffen up the paper and make it more durable. I used Easy Cast epoxy resin to coat Pikachu, but any resin should do. Follow the directions for mixing the resin, then take a foam brush and paint thin coats on Pikachu. Let this dry for 24 hours, then apply the next coat and repeat this if you want. I suggest doing 3 coats of resin. After the last coat dries, you will want to take an exacto knife and clean off any drip marks the resin left behind. Be careful with how much pressure you use. You can easily crush him even though you got the resin on it. Now he's done. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and share. Have a good day and stay crafting.